That's true. Cycle repairs, mobile repairs, మురుకు తయారు చేసి అమ్ముకుంటున్నారు స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇందుకు సంథింగ్ టు ఎర్న్ దర్ లివింగ్, సస్టెనెన్స్ కోసం, సర్వైవల్, ఫుడ్ కావాలి కదా, కడుపులోకి వెళ్ళాలి కదా. సో లాట్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ దిస్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ రియాలిటీ. Most of us may be pampered with our parents taking care of us, but there are many who may not have that kind of support, and they're doing this already. And so if you're already doing an activity, a complicated activity, then it's easy for you. The steps will be easy for you. Whereas even a simple activity with easy steps is okay, because generated income as per plan and potential easy ga undachu. Simple activity may generate more income than a complicated activity. So the first one, the idea itself, is it simple or complex? Activity, have you tasted some income? Crores kaadu, lakhs kaadu, thousands kaadu. Few 100 rupees, few 50 rupees, 80 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees. In 10 days lo edana taste chesara income. Edana self-employment taste chesara. Okay? And once you taste self-employment, you would want to continue it. Teaching will happen. Teaching skills or teaching, you will continue it. You will take up the job when you get it. You might even start a school. You will never know. So, but oka vere edana avocation unte, you can slowly build on it and have it as a second and an additional income. So that is what this whole education system should do. Improve your employment, allow you to have an additional income, and that impacts our GDP as well, gross domestic product. We are also looking at quality education through this. Quality education is sustainable development goal number 4. Okay, so this is also
for confidence levels, ma'am.
Of course it is. అసలు చదువుకుంటున్నప్పుడు మా చెల్లి యాక్టోరియల్ పార్లర్ లో పనిచేసింది. అప్పుడు దిస్ ఇస్ 1980. ఓకే, షీ వాజ్ ఇన్ 9th grade or 10th grade. ఆ యాంకీ డూడిల్ పార్లర్ పెట్టారు అప్పుడు. సో షీ జస్ట్ గాట్ ఎ సమ్మర్ జాబ్ 2 months. She was earning 200 rupees a month. Rupees a princely amount of 15. That is what it is. And for 200 things, she was so confident, you know. I mean, she would just show off in front of all of us, and she was younger than us. So నేను 200 rupees earn చేసుకుంటున్నానన్న feeling తో ఉండేది. Of course, she would give us ice creams, she would get us ice cream, all that. But it's a lot of confidence learning. Tuitions చేయండి. Tuitions can also be a vocational activity, but online చేస్తే బెటర్ అది ప్రస్తుతానికి. Yoga, if you know yoga, you can do yoga also. Okay, so there are lists, form లో లిస్టులు ఉన్నాయి, ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దాంట్లో చూడొచ్చు. The third thing is, how do you link this activity to teacher education curriculum and school education curriculum? Papers and 4 subjects. Only 2 papers of teacher education and 1 subject of school curriculum, you get only a point. So ఎలా చేయాలో నేను చూపిస్తాను మీకు. ఐఎమ్ గోనా లింక్ కంపోస్టింగ్ టు టీచర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కరికులం అండ్ స్కూల్ కరికులం. దెన్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ కాంటెంట్ అన్ని ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ కవర్ చేశారు, అండ్ స్లైడ్ డిజైన్ బాగుంది, స్లైడ్ ఫ్లో బాగుంది, యానిమేషన్ ఏం పెట్టద్దు, టైం ఉండదు, 3 minutes ఇస్తారు ప్రెజెంటేషన్ కి. డోంట్ మేక్ ఇట్ టూ మచ్ ఆఫ్ యానిమేషన్ అండ్ ఆల్ దాట్. అండ్ ఒకటి ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఇస్ వెరీ బ్యాడ్, అలాంటివి రావు అని అనుకుంటాను, ఎందుకంటే కాలేజ్ లెవెల్ కాంపిటీషన్ లోనే అవి ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోతాయి. బట్ వీ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ దిస్ ఆల్సో, నో, దిస్ టైప్, సో దట్ క్లస్టర్ లెవెల్ లో దెన్ ద ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ గెట్స్ డన్ వెరీ కరెక్ట్లీ అండ్ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ గా. Then presentation flow, of course, how you're presenting the presentation. There are 5 points, very logical, easy to understand. 1 point when there is no logical flow. Delivery style, very confident to very underconfident. So it will be very confident when you have done it on your own and you have documented it well, and you have personally met your beneficiaries, met your clients, and done it. You'll feel very, very confident. Time management, completed in allocated time, exactly 3 minutes. You get 5 points. 1 point for exceeding or even less time. This time is also not good. 2 minutes lo chesestarante additional points ravu. You must take your 3 minutes, utilize it well, because then your content and flow will be better. You can use it well. Last but not the least, documentation చాలా important. Videos capture cheyali, photographs capture cheyali, feedback from your clients and beneficiaries. You must take all మూడు ఉంటే 5 points. ఏమి తీయకపోతే 1 point. ఫోటోలు తీయలేదు, వీడియోలు తీయలేదు, ఈ 1 point అసలు రావు. ఇలాంటి ప్రశ్నలు రావు, బికాస్ కాలేజ్ లెవెల్లోనే అవి ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోతాయని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఇస్ దిస్ rubric cleared, and this is the consolidated sheet. నేను of course ఇలా వర్డ్ లో పెట్టాను, కానీ గూగుల్ ఫామ్ లో పెడితే బెటర్ ఇది. when you are doing it in your college, I think you all are Google form experts. Would you be Google form experts? So I have become an expert in the last 10 months. The last 10 months లో ఎన్ని ఫామ్స్ వాడారంటే కొత్తగా నాకు ఐడియాస్ వస్తున్నాయి దాంట్లో ఎలా చేయాలో. ఇంకా it's actually very versatile tool, Google Form. Very versatile tool. Okay, so somebody has said it's clear. Okay, now what is the pedagogy paid learning rubric as an assessment tool? వచ్చిందా ఆ లెర్నింగ్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలో rubric as an assessment tool, and why rubric has to be shared before the activity? Is it important that we share a rubric before the activity, Mitesh?
Yes, ma'am, it's very important, ma'am.
How does it
helps us to like work more. It helps us to know the challenging part of being into it, and it motivates us to be more creative and come up with a very different idea and to keep challenging us. So that is very much important.
Supposing నేను మీరందరూ ఈ యాక్టివిటీ చేశాక ఈ rubric ఇస్తే, does it work? No, I cannot give it to you afterwards. I must give it to you before the activity, because I want you to attempt getting 5 on 5. I want all of you to do 5 on 5. మేడం ముందు చెప్పలేదు మీరు అని ఫీలింగ్, మీరు ముందు 5 papers అని చెప్పలేదు అని వస్తుంది. అర్థమైందా?
They are the parameters, ma'am, that are set for us to perform.
Yes. So you must, this is a learning point for you, a knowledge point from the workshop, that any rubric must be ideally co-created with the participants and shared before the activity is started. Right? So then the performance will be better. The performance, Sunita, yes, you're right. So the performance of the students will be better, and average class performance will also improve, and then learning is also there. No, performance you're also learning to get for higher. The quality of your learning is higher because you're aiming at 5. You may land up with a 4 or a 2 score, no problem, but you're aiming for 5. Yes. So value of rubric arthamainda. So now I'll now share with you composting as, let me see how many have registered. The registration output and attention I got not very many. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 only have registered. I request everyone to register, please. Right. So I'm going to take you through my composting as a కనిపిస్తుందా?
we can see
రిపోర్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ కూడా ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నాను మీకు ఇప్పుడు ముందే, ఎందుకంటే ఈ రిపోర్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ కూడా క్లియర్ గా ఉంటే ఇలాగే మీరు కూడా డాక్యుమెంట్ చేసుకుంటారు. మీరు ఫొటోస్ వీడియోస్ అన్ని తీసుకుంటారు కరెక్ట్ గా ఏమేమి క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలి. సో కాలేజ్ లోగో, this is I'm from MGNCRE, I don't have a college logo. మీరు మీ కాలేజ్ లోగో పెట్టండి కవర్ పేజ్ లో. Then you put your activity image. Since mine is composting, it is a dirty picture, but it is an important picture. పరాగ్ నాకు ఎందుకో లేదమ్మా, రాలేదు, చూస్తాను మళ్ళీ నేను. ఓకే, సో పుట్ యువర్ పిక్చర్ హియర్. నేను ఈ ఫార్మాట్ మీతో షేర్ చేస్తాను. Your name, your college name, district, state, course, semester, contact number and email ID. And there are 4 sections in the report. And we are not expecting you to write and write and write. Manaki, mana education lo, as if the more we write, the more marks we get, and a feeling. So here it is not the more you write, you keep it short and sweet, it's better. So you must learn to reduce the verbosity. ఎక్కువ పొడుగ్గా రాయక్కర్లేదు, చిన్నగా రాసి కమ్యూనికేట్ చేస్తే బెటర్. సో ఇంట్రడక్షన్ లో ఏముంటుంది, వెంటల్ సెల్ గురించి. వెంటల్ సెల్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ 4 areas: education and self-reliance, swachhata and health and community engagement. 4 areas ఉన్నాయి వెంటల్ సెల్ లో, వెంటల్ యాక్షన్ ప్లాన్ లో. వొకేషనల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ యాక్టివిటీ మీరు ఇప్పుడు చేస్తున్నారు. సెల్ఫ్ రిలయన్స్ యాక్టివిటీస్, స్వచ్ఛత అండ్ హెల్త్. సెల్ఫ్ రిలయన్స్ అంటే రోటీ కపడా మకాన్, మనకి బతకడానికి అదే కావాలి కదా, రోటీ కపడా మకాన్, కూడు గూడు గుడ్డ కావాలి కదా. సో సెల్ఫ్ రిలయన్స్ గాంధీ గారు కూడా అదే అన్నారు, 10వ క్లాస్ అయ్యేసరికి పిల్లలందరూ సెల్ఫ్ రిలయంట్ గా ఉండాలి. స్వచ్ఛత అండ్ హెల్త్ కూడా గాంధీ గారు అన్నారు, క్లీన్ గా ఉండాలి, క్లీన్ టాయిలెట్స్, క్లీన్ సరౌండింగ్స్ అని అన్నారు. అండ్ కమ్యూనిటీ ఎంగేజ్మెంట్, కమ్యూనిటీ తోటే వర్క్ చేయాలి. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ అండ్ కమ్యూనిటీ షుడ్ బి 2 sides of the same coin. He was very, very clear about that. So in the action plan form, you will fill activities for all 4, but in the competition you will be doing vocational education activity. Is that clear? Vocational activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, మీరు మిగతా కూడా నింపుతారు, that we will do later, right? We can integrate it afterwards. So but ఈ 4 areas అయితే ఉన్నాయి వెంటల్ యాక్షన్ ప్లాన్ లో, ఈ 4 areas ఉన్నాయి. And all students are members of this cell. The cell aims to promote vocational education for self-employment and earn while you learn, and vocational education as a teaching methodology. That's the most important, because we are all becoming teachers. We are going to focus on all 3: self-employment, earn while you learn, and vocational education as a teaching methodology. And taste చేయకపోతే, మీరు as a student teacher taste చేయకపోతే, you will not be able to implement it in the school. So definitely గా మీరు స్కూల్ కి చేరేసరికి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ యాక్షన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, where you will have to integrate it in this manner. So this is about the mental cell. Then name of the activity chosen, main choose చేసింది composting. You do not choose composting now unless you're already doing it. Composting 15 days లో అవ్వదు. You must choose an activity, something like mask making sanitizers, painting, book binding, or embroidery, or batik, or coaching, online tuitions, or ఏమన్నారు ఇంకా మన వాళ్ళు, toy making, making snacks, taking care of the elderly with 1 meal a day, serving old couples with maybe breakfast for 1 week or 10 days, something like that you must pick, which won't take time to prepare, and you can quickly get on from tomorrow morning, that kind of a thing, right? So since my activity is composting, I've been doing it for 5 years. So I have chosen the key terms and the definitions. So biodegradability, decomposition, organic, okay, 3-4 simple words name key terms ga petti. 2 tools that I use, trowel and hand fork I'm using. ఈ trowel and hand fork కూడా నేను ఇక్కడ పెట్టాను as key terms. Trowel అంటే మన మేసన్ వాడతారు కదా సిమెంటింగ్ కి, అది. And hand fork also, I'll show you the picture, it's there at the bottom. When I come to that part, I'll show you what it is. So key terms and their definition. So this is the first section, is over. Simple, it won't take you more than 5 minutes to fill. Then second part, and this is the most important part, activity details. Objective of the activity. What was the objective of my composting? To recycle kitchen waste, right? Waste segregation, it's important. When I'm recycling kitchen waste, I'm also segregating the waste. And contributing to Swachh Bharat. Actually, that's what motivated me. 2014, October 2nd, when Narendra Modi ji tagged 10 people on Twitter and asked them to tag more people, I said, why can't I also do something? And that motivated me to start my kitchen to recycling, and I have not stopped. I have learned a lot. No textbook has taught me what I have learned, and I continue to learn. So many things that also I'll come to. Nitesh, I will share it. The others is to serve the neighborhood community and to generate self-employment. So even I'm not sure of my job can go any day. So I have backups. I make pickles very well, so I can do that. I'm a good cook, so I don't mind joining some food apps, and maybe bachelors who want some food, I'll give them food. I'll make them home cooked food and send them. Alanti apps unnai. There are some apps. Or I'm good with vadiums. I make gummal vadiyalu. I make very well. So I need that. So I have some backup plans. I'm also now composting also is a good self-employment for me. I have learned a lot, but maybe I have to do a little bit more. Objective 3-4 simple grind. 1 or 2 rasna chalu. See, this I'm writing. I have 30 years of experience in education, and I'm writing this. So మీరు ఇది చూసి మేము ఇంత రాయాలని ఏం లేదు. మీరు ఇంకా సింపులర్ గా రాయొచ్చు. బట్ నేను స్టాండర్డ్ కొంచెం హై సెట్ చేస్తున్నాను మీకు. ఐమ్ జస్ట్ గివింగ్ యూ అ హై స్టాండర్డ్ సో దట్ యు రీచ్ 5 స్కోర్. ఓకే, సో ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ అయ్యాక స్టెప్స్ మన రికార్డ్ లో రాస్తాం కదా, ప్రాక్టికల్ రికార్డ్ లో, బయాలజీ రికార్డ్ లో, కెమిస్ట్రీ రికార్డ్ లో రాస్తాం కదా, ఎయిమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్, మెటీరియల్స్ యూజ్డ్, అలాంటిదే సింపుల్. స్టెప్స్, ప్రొసీజర్. స్టెప్స్ అంటే ప్రొసీజర్. నా ప్రొసీజర్ ఏంటి? టేక్ ఎన్ ఎంప్టీ బిన్, లేయర్ ఇట్ విత్ సాయిల్, కొంచెం సాయిల్ కింద వేసి, కీప్ డంపింగ్ కిచెన్ వేస్ట్ ఇంటూ ఇట్. ఆల్టర్నేట్ ద వేస్ట్ విత్ అ బిట్ ఆఫ్ సాయిల్ అండ్ కీప్ ఇట్ కవర్డ్. సో కొంచెం సాయిల్ వేసి దాంట్లో కిచెన్ వేస్ట్ పడేసి, మళ్ళీ కొంచెం మడ్ వేసి, మళ్ళీ కిచెన్ వేస్ట్ వేసి, మళ్ళీ మడ్ వేసి నిండే వరకు చేస్తున్నాను. దెన్ ఆ తాపీని తీసుకుని నొక్కుతాను. ఐ షో యూ ది వీడియో. నొక్కుతాను. అండ్ ఆ బిన్ 20-25 days పడుతుంది నిండడానికి. దెన్ ఐ లీవ్ ఇట్. ఐ జస్ట్ లీవ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ అనదర్ 20-25 days. సో ఒక 2 months లో నాకు మంచి కంపోస్ట్ తయారవుతుంది. అండ్ యూ విల్ ఇమాజిన్ దట్ ఈవెన్ ఐ థాట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి స్మెల్లీ. ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్. పాట్ వర్మ్స్ వచ్చి తినేసి డీకంపోజ్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. అండ్ దెన్ it is wet, and I just need to put it into my plants. Then now I have so much. నెలకి 5 kilos compost వస్తుంటే what will I do with so much compost? So I started putting it in my building లో కింద అంతా మొక్కలకి వేయడం మొదలెట్టాను. ఎంత హెల్దీగా పెరుగుతున్నాయి మొక్కలు. నౌ రీసెంట్లీ ఈ కాంపిటీషన్ గురించి అందరికీ చెప్తూ I said okay, because I'm telling students to sell, I will also sell. So I started selling it.
Because we are also into gardening, so we are interested to get that also.
Yeah, sure. So this is my simple steps. Not idea steps unnai. Okay. Na tools ఏంటి? అండ్ ఈ టూల్స్ మనకి ఇంట్లో టూల్స్ ఉంటాయి, కానీ మనం స్కూల్లో ఇవన్నీ ఒక ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ లీవర్, సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ లీవర్ నేర్చుకుని మర్చిపోతాం వాటి సంగతి. ఓకే, మనకి సైన్స్ లో వస్తుంది చాప్టర్ సింపుల్ మెషిన్స్, ఇన్క్లైన్ ప్లేన్, ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి మనకి 6th 7th grade లో వస్తాయి. But we don't do it as a integrated manner. We just do it as a textbook chapter. I'm getting a resound. Okay, one sec. Okay, so we ఈ టూల్స్ ని కూడా చక్కగా ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయొచ్చు. అది చూపిస్తాను మీకు ఎలాగో. Empty plastic bin with a lid, kitchen and any other biodegradable waste, red mud, trowel, hand fork, bags or recyclable containers for sale of compost. These are my tools. I actually also need a weighing machine. Then precautions. When the bin is full, cover it and keep it away for 20-25 days while pot worms appear and decompose and aerate the biodegradable waste. So this is my precaution. Mee precaution vere undachu. If you're cooking something, stay away from the fire, don't burn yourself, and there are precautions pettar. checklist, what can be composted? Leaves and twigs, plant trimmings, glass clippings, wood chips. Chala unnai. Hay and straw, fruit and vegetable. Eggshells also have composted. I put eggshells, vegetables, tea bags, filter coffee powder, mana kitchen waste, kitchen coconut shells kuda vesan. Mango seeds kuda vesan. So this is what my composting is. Now the three important part. How do you link it to B.Ed curriculum? So B.Ed curriculum lo 4 semesters untai. 4 semesters paper me Osmania University de chadivanu nenu mottam. I read up the whole of it and I have linked it to 11 papers. 11 papers of B.Ed I have linked it to. One is Nayi Talim. This is the 4th semester paper where Gandhian philosophy, constructivism, where you construct your own learning, and community engagement. Case studies you can write. How did you do this project? How did you engage with the community? Can become a case study for your fourth semester paper. So మీరు experiential learning తోటి మీరు ఈ పేపర్ ని చదువుకుంటున్నారు. You're not learning it from a textbook, right? Are you getting it? Are you all getting it? Can I just have a quick yes on a chat?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nitesh is always first. Sunita, Shravani. Okay. Great. Right. So, Nayi Talim is one. Entrepreneurship training for teachers and Nikunko paper. I think it's an elective, I think.
No, ma'am, we don't have it as an elective, ma'am.
Entrepreneurial idea. And can be easily to this. The entrepreneurial teacher education for entrepreneurship education. This is exactly what it is. Teacher education for entrepreneurship education and implication, a new role for teachers. So all of you are going to be the new teachers with new roles because there's a new education policy. And vocational education as a teaching methodology is your new role, new methodology. That is one. Then philosophical perspectives, I think first time lo chaduguntaru. Gandhi garu, Rabindranath Tagore, villandaru ide chepparu. Hand, heart, head. Order lo. This hand, heart, head. Gandhi and Bloom never spoke to each other. In fact, Gandhi 1937 lo chepparu ayana. Bloom gave it to us in the 50s. So Gandhiji knew it a lot than discovery theory of learning. Is discovery theory. You can discover so much of learning has happened when I was doing this composting. Ela avutundi, ela start avutundi. A worms vachesaki bhayapadanu first time. ఈ వామ్స్ ఏంట్రా బాబు, ఈ గోల ఏంట్రా అనుకున్నాను. వెళ్ళిపోతాయి అవి, ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయో తెలియదు, వెళ్ళిపోతాయి, శుభ్రంగా డీకంపోజ్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. దెన్ and the psychology of childhood and adolescence, learning styles in children and multiple intelligences. ఈ రెండు కవర్ అయ్యాయి. సో లర్నింగ్ స్టైల్స్ ఇన్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆర్ ఆడిటరీ, కైనెస్థెటిక్ అండ్ విజువల్. సో ఆల్ త్రీ ఆర్ ఇంటిగ్రేటెడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ లర్నింగ్. మల్టిపుల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్సెస్, 9 మల్టిపుల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. All multiple intelligences get integrated practically, not from the textbook. You're not learning or you're not making a presentation about multiple intelligences. You're actually experiencing the multiple intelligences. Then perspectives on learning, Vygotsky, the constructivist approach malli. Pedagogy of school subject, all 4 subjects are very easily integrated in this. Especially learning objectives rayadam, Bloom's taxonomy and Anderson and Krathwohl's taxonomy, and the 6 levels. When I'm creating compost, I will remember, understand, apply, analyze, and evaluate. This taking students to the highest level of learning, the lower levels hypothetical. So higher order thinking skills are very, very easy to achieve. A lot of supposing you're doing this composting with a 5 student. Right, and they want to say, I want to put I want to put the plastic spoon in this. Put it. Let's see what happens. 3 months tarvata a plastic spoon alage untundi. So they are creating their knowledge. They are finding out their own way. Then we are not telling them, we are not spoiling their enthusiasm and saying, no, it won't get decomposed. Why do you want to? We should encourage and say, put it. Mere chudandi. You create your own knowledge. Constructivism adi. And you are also, while creating that compost, you're learning that plastic is non-biodegradable. So they're learning it through experiential learning. So this whole completely the pedagogical shift also. See, away from the textbook, planning, teaching, learning. So school subject, whether it's math, science, social, or language, it's all covered. We're also looking at development of life. We need to segregate waste. We need to make it a civic responsibility, and that's a huge life skill. Assessment of learning, many levels of learning vachai. Lot of subject-related, person-related assessments, abstraction of ideas from experiences. So, my experience, how do you even foresee what else can I do? What else can I do? So, unless you experience it, I cannot tell you. Yes. You're getting ideas, very good. Ide kaval naku, me competition lo. And definitely health and physical education. Swachhata is leads to good health and hygiene because you have cleaner surroundings. And you know, I retain 90 kilos of waste per year in my house. So imagine everybody does that. How many kilos of waste we will be keeping in our house, and it is all going back to Mother Earth. Whatever has come from Mother Earth is going back to Mother Earth. Then Swachh Bharat Mission gurinchi telustundi. Programs, you know, what are the programs? Then reflective reading. I can read Japan lo ela chestunaru. Japan 34. Okay, they gave their 4 bins. So read and reflect, and I can do all this SQ3R. ESQ survey, question, read, recite, review. Ivanni cheyach nenu. While I'm researching Japanese method of waste segregation and making the connections, understanding the inferences. So this is also practical. It's not. I'm not reading about reflective reading and writing an exam. I'm reading a text and reflecting on it. I'm practically doing the SQ3R strategy. Right? Environmental education, definitely 3 hours is there. 5 hours kuda undi deentlo. ICT, I can use it, find some information about composting. I can use it to find out who is doing it in my city. Who can I meet and learn a little bit more? I can do videos like I have done, and I can also do a YouTube channel. And you know better about YouTube channel. The more subscribers you have, the more viewership you have. You start making money from YouTube as well. So that is another source of income on self-employment. So is this clear? The 11 papers that are integrated for my compost. I don't expect you to do 11 papers, but at least 5 to score a 5. Okay? And do it well. Okay. Now pick me school curriculum. School curriculum, maths 30 direct and inverse proportion. 250 grams of waste every day gives me 5 kilos of compost every month. So these proportion, inverse proportion, comparing quantities. Profitability. If I want to sell it, what's my profitability? So commercial maths kuda vastundi, 8th grade. And I have checked out the 8th grade Telangana curriculum. Yes, those polystyrene masks are very, very... see, plastic by itself is not bad, ma. Plastic buckets, plastic, long-term use plastics are good. It is only single-use plastics that are bad. We should stop that. Anything that is going to spoil the environment, we should stop. Yeah, so plastic by itself is a good invention, but they are misused. Then physical science law, synthetic fibers and plastics. There's a chapter, 4R principle is there. Use of tools, travel and handwork. Biological science law, biodiversity and its conservation, ecosystem, production of food from plants. Why do we supply manure? Natural manure. Which manure is better? Not for breathing, not for drinking. Okay, chapter in the Valdaki. Good, very good. Om Sai. The best ideas are coming from your batch, you know. మీరు ఇలా చాట్ లో పెడుతుంటే నాకు మీకు అర్థం అవుతుందని తెలుస్తోంది. దీప్తి, సారీ, I wouldn't know your name from that. So I get encouraged that you're coming up with your ideas. లా అండ్ జస్టిస్ ఉంది వాళ్ళకి ఒకటి సోషల్ స్టడీస్ లో. సారీ, సోషల్ స్టడీస్ లో మనీ అండ్ బ్యాంకింగ్, ఇంపాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీ ఆన్ లైవ్లీహుడ్స్, digital marketing, researching pioneers and practitioners of composting in your city and best practices. Law and justice law, rules and fines for littering in public places. So social studies lo inni integrate cheyochu మనం ఈ కంపోస్టింగ్ తోటి. అండ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో జస్ట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ అబౌట్ ద టూ టూల్ థింగ్. అగ్రికల్చర్ కూడా చాలా ఉన్నాయి లింక్స్. నేను జస్ట్ గ్రేడ్ 8 లో తెలంగాణలో ఏముంది సిలబస్ అండ్ ఈ కంపోస్టింగ్ దాన్ని ఎలా లింక్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇమాజిన్ ద స్కూల్ హ్యాస్ the school has a compost pit and all classes will have age appropriate link. All of them will be composting. A teacher, the maths teacher, science teacher will make use of that compost pit, and students learn composting. Students will sell that compost. They will earn some income from for their school, and they will learn age appropriate composting related connections. Adhamainda? Interesting or no? Is it boring?
Very much interesting.
That's very much.
Okay, I need another 5 minutes. That's all to finish what I have to say. Okay, the last is the 4 areas of Entel. Vocational education, definitely it gives self-employment and entrepreneurship, self-reliance, because మనకి ఫుడ్, క్లోతింగ్, షెల్టర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ నుంచే బయోడిగ్రేడబుల్ వేస్ట్ వస్తుంది. సో ఫుడ్, క్లోతింగ్, షెల్టర్ చేస్తే మనకి బయోడిగ్రేడబుల్ వేస్ట్ కంపోస్టింగ్ లోకి వెళ్తుంది. సో వీఆర్ ఆల్సో బికమింగ్ సెల్ఫ్ రిలయంట్ ఇన్ ద హోల్ ప్రాసెస్, అండ్ డెఫినెట్లీ వీఆర్ ఎర్నింగ్ మనీ. సో yeah, good, very good, Sunita. That donation of books is also a good thing. Then Swachhata and Health, definitely waste segregation promote chestundi, and community engagement. We can sell to the community, we can donate to the community, we can learn best practices in composting from the community. Lokavidya is important in our national policy, and we can share our learning with the community and inspire them to compost the biodegradable waste at their home. So this is the 4 rental areas. Last but another section is implementation. Meeru ee 2 weeks gurinche rastar. What you did in these 2 weeks. I am doing it from 2014. So I have written it that I started from Swachh Bharat campaign, and I have continued every single day, and I have actually inspired a lot of my neighborhood and my colleagues and a lot of students. And every month I get about 5 kilos of compost. So 60 kilos of compost I get every year. Okay, it may not be a lot of money, but it is, even if it's 1,200 rupees that I'm selling it for, it is some money. And it gives me a lot of confidence of inspiring. Maybe I'll teach somebody. Then, and I don't buy it. I use it also in my house. Outcome, most compost was used for home plants and apartment common plants. Recently started selling to neighborhood community, and I made only 200 rupees recently, so not more than that. Last, impact. Use compost for myself and the plants, and I feel proud to retail. That's the effective. Okay, మన గాంధీజీ హ్యాండ్, హార్ట్, హెడ్ అన్నారు కదా. సో హార్ట్ లెర్నింగ్ ఏంటి? నేను నేషన్ కి కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను, నేను ఇంట్లో ఉంచుతున్నాను వేస్ట్, నేను మదర్ ఎర్త్ కి కేర్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. దోస్ ఆర్ ద హార్ట్ లెర్నింగ్, అండ్ దే వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దే బిల్డ్ ద ఎమోషనల్ కోషంట్, దే బిల్డ్ ద స్పిరిచువల్ కోషంట్, అండ్ దే బిల్డ్ ద అడ్వర్సిటీ కోషంట్. Important. Mana COVID has taught us of the adversity quotient as well. So when we focus on the heart learning, we are helping students to build spiritual quotient, emotional quotient, and adversity quotient. IQ comes from those chapters and textbooks. Please get out of it. So this is my garden trowel. This is my hand fork. This is my waste. Puja room waste kuda. Spiritualistic intelligence. మ్యూజికల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ వాడలేదు నేను ఇక్కడ. ఎవరో అన్నారు, మేడం కంపోస్ట్ ముందు కూర్చొని పాట పాడండి అని అన్నారు. ఓకే, మేబీ మై కంపోస్ట్ విల్ బి హ్యాపీయర్. దెన్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద మడ్ దట్ ఐ పుట్, అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ మై డబ్బాస్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫిల్డ్ అప్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫిల్లింగ్ అప్. సో ఐ కీప్ ఆల్టర్నేటింగ్ అన్నమాట. అండ్ I have one more dabba now, yellow dabba. I'll click on these links and show them to you. Then some feedback. Use the compost. It is odor free and help my plant. It's really odor free. And love the compost that I brought from you. My kothmir grew very fast. My hibiscus is looking healthy. So ilanti feedback తీసుకోండి మీరు కూడా. Way forward to set up a composting unit in the colony with support from colony members. So you see, if I don't do this activity, I won't get these ideas. అర్థమైందా మీకు? నేను కాంపోస్టింగ్ చేశాను కనుక ఇంకొక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. నా కాలనీ వాళ్ళతో చేయొచ్చు కదా, వాళ్ళందరినీ మోటివేట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. మాకు ఒక పార్క్ ఉంది, అక్కడ ఒక చిన్న ఏరియాలో అందరినీ వేయమందాం, అందరు కిచెన్ వేస్ట్ తెచ్చి వేద్దాం, కాలనీ కూడా క్లీన్ ఉంటుంది, మనకు అందరికి కాంపోస్ట్ వస్తుంది. కమ్యూనిటీ ఎంగేజ్మెంట్. దెన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు స్టడీ వర్మీ కంపోస్టింగ్ ఆల్సో. ఐ వాంట్ టు గో అండ్ స్టడీ. కోవిడ్ కొంచెం ఇదయ్యాక I want to meet people who are doing vermicomposting and see how I can do that. So unless I do something like this, I will not get these ideas, the way forward ideas rao. And reflection, which is EPC4, EC1, sorry, felt a great sense of contribution to nation Swachhata. Chala undi naku a contribution feeling. Then experience generation of wealth and well-being out of waste. Wow, WOW, rendu away. A wow feeling, wealth out of waste, well-being out of waste. And I also felt when I wrote this document, I felt that very good integration with B.Ed curriculum and school curriculum. You know, this vocational activity can really integrate very well with B.Ed curriculum and school curriculum. So this is the report that you will fill. I am telling you, inta detail ga undakarledu. But if you fill it up, it's a good thing. As much as you can, as much detail you can go into if you fill it up, because definitely it's a UNESCO project, and we don't know. You never know what will happen when. So is this clear? Is the report clear? Meer activity chesaka report ela nimpalo ardhamainda?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is there any option of getting into this kind of work long term?
ఒక్కడే మ్యామ్, ఓన్లీ ఒక్కటికే అర్థమైందా? Okay, Manisha.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Right. So now let me quickly show you the video.
Compost, by my kitchen report, you can see some condensation. Hello to
So this is my new dabba.
This is my compost bin, and here is the compost, the biodegradable waste of my kitchen report.
There's a lot of condensation also. Condensation compost concept ga nerpinchochu. Droplets కనిపిస్తున్నాయా?
And I'm going to now press it down a bit and see fruit. And this is what I've been using. This is the Mason tool, but I use it quite effectively for pressing this down. And coconut shells I put. So just press it down a bit. I will put some red mud tomorrow. I will layer it with some red mud tomorrow.
So that was video 1, and now the second video.
These are the other two bins. This is still compost. Still composting. I also have to put a little bit of mud onto this and this is almost 45-50 days old. You can see these worms that have come and eaten it up, and changed the composition. And I shall probably put it into the plants by tomorrow. Thank you for watching.
So just short 30-second videos. I've not made it too long because keeping in mind the 3-minute presentation, no, you can't show. So this is what, and the same thing in a PPT presentation. So we need a Word document and we need a PPT document. So PPT document you will use, PPT presentation you will use to present, Word document also you will submit. So because we don't know what the ministry will ask us for. Ministry will ask us for anything and everything. So ఈ రెండు documents submit చేయాలి. So 2 weeks, identify the activity now, fill up the form, start implementing it. 16th to 20th we will write the report and make the PPT. And 21 to 23 లో మీ college competition చేశాక 24th, 25th కి నాకు 3 names and the entire list of scores వస్తే the cluster we will do after 25th. Around 26, 27 we will do the cluster level competition. Is that clear? Was it fun?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Clear and fun? If it's not fun, then I'm not happy.
It was interesting, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm going to paste the action form. It's also simple. It's not a difficult form to fill. It will take you only 2 minutes to fill. There are pre-filled ideas over there. You take what if you feel that some idea is good and you want to do that, you take the idea from there. Later, you have other as a choice. You can, maybe you're doing something like coconut shells, so you're doing some activity, or you're doing teaching aids or something like that. So you can choose other and you can put it. But, and you're going to choose 8 activities. Okay, you're going to choose 8 activities, 2 under each part of the 4 areas. So, మీరు 8 activities choose చేసిన only 1 vocational activities ఈ 2 weeks లో చేస్తారు. మిగతా 7 activities తర్వాత చేద్దాం. ఇప్పుడేం అర్జెంట్ లేదు. ఒకటే యాక్టివిటీ వొకేషనల్ యాక్టివిటీ పిక్ చేసి చేయండి. సో I have put the action plan here in the, click on it and start filling. రిజిస్టర్ చేయడానికి ఏంటమ్మా కష్టం? Only 14 have registered and there are at least 35 students here. Let me see. Nitesh, na? లేదమ్మా రాలేదు.
Ma'am, Swati Nayak.
I'll read out the names who's come. Maulika, Bhargavi, Manisha, Shraddha, Deepthi, Bhargavi 2 times వచ్చింది. Sai Rachna, Madhavi, Farzana Begum, Subhashini, Chaitanya, Jyoti, Manasa, Shravani. These are the names. Others have not come.
Ma'am, Mani Lavanya?
No, I haven't got that. Why does this happen? Any idea? Anybody has any idea? Any techie? Okay, what you do first, you fill up the action plan. Network issues were you fill up the action plan first, then you go back to the registration form. Focus on the action plan first now. Fill that up and then you go to the registration form. So I'm going to be quiet.
Ma'am, as your activity since ma'am, is there any option for us also to be part of this as our like what to say an extra activity to keep us motivating?
We'll do one at a time. But let's do this. Then we'll see what this out for us. So, I believe in a lot of divine interventions and the universe connecting us for a certain reason. So I just feel that we are all blessed to be connected with each other now. Principals serve for hesitant, too busy, ready to do it in the evening. They may be out internships and they may be in their colleges and working. So I don't mind scheduling it from 7 to long as they can join. So, sir, good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am. We are very much thankful to Principal Sir, ma'am. He has motivated us to register, and he personally said us to register while college group also, ma'am.
So అదే కానీ ఎందుకు మధ్యాహ్నం రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ రాలేదో నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. As Nitya saying, it must be a network issue only.
College, ma'am. While registering, we were at the college, ma'am.
I was horrified even at 6 no registration. So I told sir, registration leave ఏం చేయాలి అని అడిగాను. లేదమ్మా, I already told the students to register అన్నారు. Okay, fill up the action plan and then fill up the registration form. మీరు మీ గ్రూప్ లో కూడా షేర్ చేసేయండి ఆ యాక్షన్ ప్లాన్, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఫామ్ రెండు మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టేయచ్చు మీరు, మీ కాలేజ్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో, సో దట్ ఇట్ రిమైన్స్ విత్ యూ. ఇన్ కేస్ యూ have not fill it now, you can even fill it up a little later. I'm going to నేను చదివాను కదా పేర్లు: మౌలిక, భార్గవి, మనీషా, శ్రద్ధ, దీప్తి, సాయి రచన, మాధవి, ఫర్జానా, సుభాషిణి, చైతన్య, జ్యోతి, మానస, శ్రావణి. శ్రావణి జస్ట్ 1946 746 కి రిజిస్టర్ అయింది. అంతే, ఇవే వచ్చాయి రిజిస్ట్రేషన్స్. సునీత అనిత రాలేదు.
Swati Naik registered for 3 times, ma'am.
Yes, 8 activities, Shravani. 2 in vocational education, 2 under self-reliance, 2 under Swachhata and health, and 2 under community engagement. సో వొకేషన్ ఒక యాక్టివిటీ ఇప్పుడు చేద్దాం, ఈ నెక్స్ట్ 2 weeks లో చేద్దాం. సరే, మీరు యాక్షన్ ప్లాన్స్ నింపండి, అక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకుంటాను మీ పేర్లు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఫిల్ అప్ ద యాక్షన్ ప్లాన్. I put it in the chat now. Action plan పెట్టాను కదా చాట్ లో. మళ్ళీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తున్నా చాట్ బాక్స్. Okay, I know what has happened. I think I by mistake sent the action plan instead of the registration form. మీ పేరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి, యాక్షన్ ప్లాన్ లో ఉన్నాయి మీ పేర్లు. It's okay. Okay. Many of you have filled that. Fine. Right. So let's just discuss one or two activities. Let me share this actually. So sometimes even I make a mistake. So my apologies. My sincere apologies. I should have shared the registration form. I think by mistake ఇది వచ్చినట్టుంది మీకు. Yeah, we're human, and sometimes I also keep saying I've reached a senior citizen, so I think I'm slowing down at some place. Okay, I have all your names here. So it is already nimped, sir. Can you see how many are there? Okay, let's look at somebody has filled making jams. Who's this? Sunita, unmute yourself. ఒక 5 minutes మాట్లాడి ఇంకా క్లోజ్ చేద్దాం మనం. Sunita, can you unmute yourself? Okay, she's not able to hear me maybe. Tailoring. Who has done tailoring? Sai Bhavani, are you there? Agriculture పెట్టారు ఎవరు? ప్రమోద్ ఉన్నారా? ప్రమోద్, are you there? Okay, who's this toy making? Book binding పెట్టారు ప్రమోద్. ప్రమోద్ రెడ్డి ఉన్నారా మీరు ఇక్కడ? ప్రమోద్ రెడ్డి గారు. Okay, anybody unmute and speak about your activity, no? Any one of you unmute and speak about your activity? Who's speaking?
Ma'am, Shraddha here, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Shraddha, go ahead.
Ma'am, I am very much interested into cooking, and even I tried to bake recipes or bake bakery items without eggs. Like it is a totally vegetarian, what you say, baking. So that is what I mostly do, and that is I would like to put in my self-reliance going forward, and even into the engagement also.
Very good. Yeah, so that activity you can easily do for a week.
Even I participated, ma'am, in one of the biggest competition in Pan India. So I was among the top 12 members over there at Nagpur. So that is the major activity which I mostly do.
Master chef.
Hopefully, ma'am.
No, you must actually do a YouTube channel. Okay.
I have one of our friend, ma'am, having a YouTube channel. She is also talented. So I would like to.
Very good. So there are so many channels for you of self-employment. Teaching chestaru miru. You'll also do teaching, but look at how you can build other channels of self-employment so that at any stage in life you are resilient. Adversity quotient and cheppan kada. We cannot feel that suddenly schools have closed, we don't have a job, we don't have money, we don't have income. We have to build other sources of income. Okay. So that is what adversity quotient is. Okay, quickly link to B.Ed curriculum, school curriculum.
We can just, if you want to link or baking to B.Ed curriculum, we can just teach students to be more vegan or more vegetarian so that we can save animals. That we can do with that, and even they can we can help the students to make them eat vegetables more, because these days as there is more of junk and fast food, we can make them give a healthy recipes which contain more of vegetables, so that health also will be improved and they would eat more vegetables, and the agriculture would also improve, and indirectly we can help the farmers also, where right now the farmer protest is going on, ma'am. So in a way we can contribute there also, being a small portion at least.
So current affairs also, what is a current thing and how do you link it? Adoka angle. The tools in baking, you have so many tools. You have a whisk, you have...
Yes, ma'am. We have microwave. We have a whisk, microwave, measuring, a scale, measuring cups, and the baking tins. A lot of ingredients, different ingredients, what you can say, like baking soda and all that.
Very good. The science and the math of it comes from there.
Combination also, ma'am. The measurement, we can take it as a maths part. And social, if I want to relate, I can give it to people who are needy and who are vegetarian and who cannot afford a bakery food. A small kid who would like to eat something like a piece of cake, but he cannot afford. But due to me preparing something, I can give it to him. So I would relate it my social.
Yeah. Also, commercial maths. What is?
Yes, ma'am. Commerce and management too, ma'am. Money managing also.
And definitely, your experiential learning activity, vocational activity, will touch hand, heart, head. You're starting with the hand. You learn about baking soda. You learn about baking. You learn about convection. You learn about what else? What are the concepts? As you said, no, all the vegan part, the saving animals.
Yes, that is a science part. Yes, ma'am, that is a science part.
And your B.Ed. Definitely pedagogy of school subjects, CPS is covered, your EPC is covered, so assessment for learning, pedagogy of school subject, your language across the curriculum.
Entrepreneurship also, ma'am.
And Nayi Talim paper 4th semester is 100% covered.
Yes, ma'am. So I will try to cover more similar papers as you covered, giving my best so that we can reach the parameters which you are expecting from us, ma'am.
Yeah. So what I'll do is, since I have your phone number on the Google Sheet, I will connect with one or two of you on WhatsApp, and I will be a channel for you to help you through these 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks. Because I think I asked for a faculty, and sir said all faculty is rightly caught right now. So I want to encourage you guys, because I see bright ideas. I do see bright ideas, and all of you who are keen, I think I will get in touch. I'll remain in touch with Shraddha and Nitesh. Nitesh, is that okay with you? What? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Even mathematics too, in adding proper quantity. Correct, Sir Shravani. So what I do is I will give you guidelines. All students work on this for this week. Document. Then next week I'll say let's write the reports this week. I'll keep sending instructions to Shraddha and Nitesh, and they will pass it on to others. Right? So I'm going now with the list that you have filled today. Right now, all those who have filled, I'm going with that list as the ones that are interested in participating in competition. Is it okay to take that as a base list? Okay, great. So we'll start with that list. There might be dropouts, there might be add-ons, and I request Nitesh and Shravani to coordinate me. I'll be more than happy to guide you, right? And my main objective is for you to experience learning, for you to experience Nayi Talim, and for you to become good vocational education as a teaching methodology teachers, and become self-employed and self-reliant. So that is my objective of working with you guys. And you're all young, you're all the next generation. We are handing over the teaching baton to you all. So lots of hopes and aspirations from you all. So I thank you for attending the workshop, and I request one or two of you to share a feedback and word of thanks, and we will close after that. Thank you so much.
again me, ma'am, starting.
Okay. Shraddha, you're
Thank
almost
you.
talking to with the group, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we are very.
No. Popular demand video on now. Come on. You can't talk without video all the time.
Ma'am, yes, sure.
But you're not listening properly.
We are very happy, ma'am. Session actually, so that we get more motivation to be self-reliant, and I myself feel very happy to be part of B.Ed, ma'am. That I never expected to B.Ed to be so much. Having other things integrated into it. So that is
Everything in our house has B.Ed. Every day, even the breath we are taking is integrated to B.Ed. Please understand that.
yes, ma'am. That is it. That is what we learned from B.Ed. That it is not just a teaching thing. And as we have heard many people saying it's a noble profession, but it is beyond that. So after attending this workshop, we are very happy that we can identify our talent. We can reflect on what we are doing, and we can just go ahead with lot of
Please
things, ma'am.
remember, when you go to brush your teeth, there is B.Ed. When you're having a shower, there is B.Ed. When you're wearing clothes, there is B.Ed. When you're cooking, there is B.Ed. When you're anything, you're driving a car, there is B.Ed. And B.Ed is the most important, teaching is the most important, school teaching. Because you're
Yes,
impacting all the students who are going into different professional courses. You are, so that's why education is so important. Teacher education courses have to be foundationally very strong. So that's
We
the
feel that we are the
importance.
main contributors, ma'am. So thank you so very much for having such a good session, ma'am. And we are very thankful to attend it at any time, ma'am. Looking forward for more such sessions so that we get motivation, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
First, let's do the competition and then we'll take it forward from there. I seek your support. Seek your support.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, lovely ideas. All of you gave wonderful ideas on the chat. I'm saving the chat and I will read the chat. You all have given some wonderful ideas over there and you kept linking it to what I was saying. So that gives me a sense that you're following what I'm saying, and bright ideas. Thank you so much. Thank you. Anybody else would like to speak? Then we'll close.
Yeah, ma'am. What? Yeah, ma'am. The total workshop was, unique, ma'am. Because compost, I've heard many times, but seeing it live, because of videos, ma'am, what you have played, and the explanation what you have given was most inspiring, ma'am. Because from the waste also we can use it for the best. That is what I have learned from this. Yeah.